Well, hello people. Now, as we have launched the Facebook ad account for this Springtails project, now it's time to actually launch all the campaigns. So it's quite simple. When you have the ad account access, you simply have to click on this create campaign button, choose the campaign objective, and then you can launch all these campaigns one by one. But then, even before launching the campaign, you need some prerequisites. You need to have something, which is the most essential thing in any Facebook ad account. So I'm talking about something which is called as creative, a video, or maybe carousel, which is the most effective part when you launch a Facebook ad campaign. And now the question is, how do you get creatives for an e-commerce project? Because for any normal project, if it's a service-based project, all you have to do is to have single banners or maybe video. But in e-commerce, we have to upload all these products within the Facebook ad account. Once we have these products uploaded, then we can simply launch all the campaigns one by one, and we can choose these products rather than creating the ad in the product campaigns. Now, get back into the Facebook ad account. You click on these three lines which says all tools, and you look for an option which says Commerce Manager. Within Commerce Manager, you have to look for the option of creating the catalog. So we have to create a new catalog. When you click on this button, you get an option to create a new catalog using the shopping platforms like Shopify, platforms like BigCommerce, or you can create the catalog without the platform so that you have to upload all these products one by one. But then it's quite a time taking process. It can really take hours to upload all the products, especially when you have more products in the website. So we have another option which says data source. Through this data source, we will get an option to connect the source where the products are available within this Commerce Manager. So in our case, we have to go with partner platform and then look for an option of Shopify. So here we have the Shopify option. For people who are having the website in Magento or WooCommerce, they can go with the other platform options. For us, we have to click on Shopify and click on Go to Shopify. Now here, it's going to ask us to install the Facebook and Instagram app. So we click over here and then we simply have to install this app into our Shopify portal. We click on add channel so that the app gets installed, and then we have to wait for a while so that this app can start pushing all the products into the Facebook ads account interface. We will be getting all of these options to access the interface, and then we click on finish, post to which we shall be getting an option to link our Shopify store with the Facebook ad account. So here it's gonna ask us to link a few things, which is gonna come up something like this. We have to click on get started, and then we have to click on connect account. So basically we are connecting Facebook account with our Shopify portal. We click on continue with the ID, and then it's gonna ask us to complete the process. Now it says Facebook account is not eligible for setup. Sometimes we get it as Instagram account is not eligible for setup. So recently I found a crack for this problem, for which we have to get into settings, through which we have to get into billings, and then within billing someone has asked me to change the billing address. Actually, I have to click on billing profile. From here I shall be having the address for India, and within these options I'm going to change it temporarily for US. All right, so I have to click over here. I have to go with USA, which shall be somewhere in the end. I have to choose any address in USA. I don't even know an exact address, which pulls for South Carolina with the zip code, and I click on save. I'm just doing it for a while. After a while, I will change all of these options back to the original options. Now I have to go back, click on this back button, click on the back button for once again, or maybe a couple of times, so I can reach to this Facebook and Instagram app. I don't want to save it. And here, let's see if I have any further option. I know it's a bit frustrating, but then we don't have any other option as of now. So we click on add again, we click on connect accounts, we wait for a while, we link up both the accounts for once again, and then we wait if this thing is happening. Wow. So now you can see we are getting options to connect these accounts. Now I have to search for Springtails as the business manager. Okay, this is the Springtails account. I have to click on connect. Wait for a while. I have to enable the data sharing by saving all of these options. And then I have to connect the Facebook pixel. Now the pixel which I'm trying to use is gonna be Springtails pixel. So I'm connecting this pixel, agreeing with terms and conditions, and clicking on submit for review. Now, maybe you don't want to go with this process because that's not officially announced for India as of now. So you can take some extra time. You can upload all the products one by one. But in my case, I wanted to save my time. That's why I have tricked Facebook and or else I have tricked Shopify to go with this option by changing the address. It's again going to take a while, and then I shall be having all of these products floated from Shopify into the Facebook catalog. Now it's going to take a while, maybe couple of more seconds. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to click on refresh to check if anything is happening at Facebook e-commerce manager. Nothing is changing over here. I go back into this account and then it says publish products. I click on publish products this time. I choose Facebook and Instagram. So I want to publish products into Facebook and Instagram. I click on include products and then it says products included. I again go back over here, which is my commerce manager, to check if any of the products are uploaded. Within this ad account, nothing has uploaded yet. Okay, so it has created another catalog for me, which says Shopify product catalog. Let's get into this Shopify product catalog. And here we have our 10 products added. So you can see now we have automatically added all of these products from Shopify portal into our e-commerce manager. The only thing that we have to take care of is, rather than going with the first product catalog, we have to go with this option which says Shopify product catalog. Perfect. Now let's get back into ads manager. I'm just gonna launch a test campaign right now so I can show you how do you include all of these products into any campaign. So let's click on this campaign which says create. We go with traffic, we click on continue, and then we choose manual option. We click on continue again, and here I'm just going with the by default options right now. In ad sets also I'm going with the available selected options, and then I'm quickly getting into new traffic ad so that I can create the ad. So as I said, Facebook page, okay, I have to choose the Facebook page at the ad set level. So here I have to, oops, where do I have an option to choose the page? Okay, I have to click on this pencil sign and then type in Springtails, the project name, choose this Facebook page, and then I click on next. I don't have an Instagram account right now, and as I said, we can run the ads without having the Instagram account. And this time I wanted to go into this option which says catalog, but then we have to use, oh, wait, give me 1 second. Oops, we have chosen this option of single image. Let me uncheck these options. And here we get the option of going with catalog. So when you go with single image, you won't get an option to choose the catalog. So you have to choose this catalog option. And now you can see all of your images, all of your catalog is gonna show up along with the Facebook ads. Now I'm not gonna use this entire campaign for running the ads because it's I was just showing this to show you how do you connect your Shopify store with the Facebook ads interface, and then how your products can float into the ad campaigns. I can even click on publish just for now, and then eventually I will delete this entire campaign. Now, starting from the next videos, we will start showing up ads, and also we'll start launching different campaigns for this project. I shall be seeing you in the next video. You have a great day ahead.